Welcome to the Tranquil Japandi Retreat, a serene hillside escape where the timeless beauty of nature meets the simplicity and harmony of Japandi design. Nestled into the gently rolling hills, surrounded by ancient woods and breathtaking meadows, this home offers the perfect sanctuary for anyone seeking peace and balance. As we enter the cabin, the transition from the fresh, crisp air of the hillside into the warm embrace of the home is immediate. The entryway, bathed in soft, natural light from a wide window, sets the tone with its minimalist, yet welcoming design. A clean, simple bench, crafted from pale wood, invites you to take a moment to slip off your boots, while a soft woven rug underfoot adds warmth and texture. The space feels open, with earthy tones of wood, stone, and woven fibers grounding you as you step further inside. The calming scent of cedarwood and pine drifts in from the surrounding forest, making it feel as though the outdoors are right within arm's reach. The heart of this home lies in its expansive living room, designed to be an oasis of calm. The walls, made from natural stone and warm, dark timber, create a cozy cocoon, while large glass windows frame breathtaking views of the rolling hills and distant valleys. Light floods in, shifting with the changing skies, from soft morning light to the golden hues of sunset. At the center, a low-profile sofa upholstered in muted natural fabrics invites relaxation, while oversized throw pillows and a plush woolen blanket add tactile warmth. A sculptural stone fireplace stands proudly, its fire crackling softly, adding to the ambient warmth that fills the space. The Japandi design aesthetic combines the clean lines and functional simplicity of Japanese minimalism with the warmth and natural materials of Scandinavian style, making the room feel both serene and inviting. The wood-paneled ceiling and woven textiles further enhance the atmosphere of peaceful sophistication, creating an ideal space to unwind, read, or enjoy intimate conversations. If you're loving the calming atmosphere of this retreat, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment below about your favorite feature in the home. We love hearing your thoughts. Moving into the kitchen, the design is centered around simplicity and functionality, with an open layout that invites ease and connection. The muted palette of light wood and soft whites complements the natural surroundings, bringing the beauty of the outside in. Custom shelving displays handmade ceramic bowls and wooden utensils, echoing the home's commitment to craftsmanship and thoughtful design. Modern appliances are subtly integrated into the cabinetry, allowing the focus to remain on the organic materials and minimalist aesthetic. A large kitchen island provides both prep space and a gathering spot, encouraging slow meals and meaningful moments shared with loved ones. Just beyond, the dining area is a perfect continuation of this idea. A handcrafted wood dining table, surrounded by simple, sturdy chairs, becomes a place for both quiet meals and larger family gatherings. Overhead, a cluster of pendant lights casts a soft, intimate glow, while the wide windows bring in stunning views of the hillsides, blurring the line between the interior and the landscape outside. Stepping into the master bedroom feels like sinking into a peaceful retreat, where every element is designed to encourage rest and rejuvenation. The room embraces a minimalist aesthetic, with soft, neutral tones that echo the colors of the surrounding landscape. The low platform bed, dressed in layers of soft linen and wool, invites relaxation, offering a space that feels as though it's made for quiet moments of reflection. A soft woolen throw drapes casually over the bed, while simple wood furniture adds a touch of warmth without overwhelming the space. Large floor-to-ceiling windows open up to the hillside beyond, allowing you to wake up to panoramic views of rolling green hills and the misty forest below. The room's peaceful atmosphere is heightened by the presence of nature, whether it's the rustling of leaves in the breeze or the gentle sound of a distant creek. The space is a sanctuary where the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living disappear, leaving you with nothing but serenity and comfort. The bathroom in this home is a spa-like retreat, designed for unwinding and connecting with nature. A freestanding stone bathtub sits by a large window where you can soak in warm water while gazing out over the hillsides, the view changing with the seasons. The stone walls of the bathroom blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings, and the earthy tones of wood and stone create a sense of balance and peace. Soft, ambient lighting highlights the room's natural beauty, casting gentle shadows on the textured walls. The spacious walk-in shower features a sleek, minimalist design, with stone tiles reminiscent of the natural landscape that surrounds the home. Every element of this room has been carefully selected to promote relaxation, from the smooth stone of the bathtub to the simple, handcrafted towels and natural scents that fill the space. Outside, the connection with nature is taken even further, with a large terrace that extends out toward the hillside. A wooden deck, surrounded by low-maintenance plants and native grasses, offers the perfect spot to enjoy a cup of tea while watching the changing light over the valley. A dining area under a pergola provides an alfresco setting for meals, while a fire pit invites evening gatherings around the warmth of the flame. Low stone walls blend effortlessly into the landscape, providing both structure and privacy without disrupting the natural flow of the land. The beauty of the outdoors is never far from the house, with lush greenery surrounding the property, including carefully curated garden areas with native plants that thrive in the local climate. From here, you can truly immerse yourself in the tranquil surroundings, whether you're enjoying the quiet hum of the wind, the sound of birds chirping, or the occasional distant rustle of animals in the forest. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful tour of the Tranquil Japandi Retreat. If you've fallen in love with this serene hillside escape, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment telling us your favorite part of the home. And make sure to subscribe to Visionary Designs for more inspiring home tours from all around the world. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay peaceful and inspired.